Welcome. So today we're gonna make a very simple cabbage soup. So delicious. Let's go right ahead. I'm gonna prepare something we can snack on whilst we do our cabbage and carrot soup. Add your soft chicken to a bowl. Add onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, ginger powder, paprika. Mix it and cover it to marinade. After 1 hour, we are ready to fry. I love this. Look at that juicy chicken. This is optional though. You get to snack on it whilst you prepare your main soup. Look at that. Let's get to our main meal for the day. So we wash our hard chicken with lemon, fresh lemon, and some water. Clean it real good. We add it to our bowl and add all-purpose seasoning. Stir. Now we wash our cabbage, carrots, tomato, onion, and habanero pepper. We bring it to a boil. So while we are boiling that, we add 3 cloves of garlic and ginger to our blender. We add our yellow and green bell pepper. Add a little water. Give it a blend. And we add it to our sauce. I added my dried rosemary. Look at that. Now let's go to our main blend. Our cooked carrots, cabbage, onion, tomato, and habanero pepper. We give it a blend very smooth because we're not gonna save it. And we add it to our meat. Look at that. Add a little salt. Don't forget to mix it up real good and add some more water because you know what? Cabbage soup thickens very fast. Let it cook for additional 10 minutes. And we add some fresh carrots, habanero pepper, and some okra. Do we still have some of the fried chicken left? If we do, we can just add it to our soup. And we turn off the fire. We are done here. The soup has so many benefits. Serve and enjoy. I love this soup because the next day, then it's still fresh 2-3 days, still fresh. You can really taste the vegetables in there. And that fried chicken tastes so good in the soup. Thank you so much for all the support. Love you so much.